everyone, welcome back to TerraTern, your go-to channel for everything about building an international career. Today we are going into the exciting world of aviation jobs abroad. Whether you dream of flying planes, maintaining them, or working behind the scenes in air traffic control, this industry is full of global opportunities. So let's take off and explore what's out there. First, why choose an aviation career abroad? Aviation is one of the most dynamic industries in the world. With the continued growth of international travel and logistics, the demand for skilled professionals in aviation is skyrocketing. Working abroad in aviation not only offers a chance to work with some of the biggest airlines and companies in the world, but it also allows you to travel, experience new cultures, and develop your career on a global scale. So let's take a look at some of the most in-demand aviation jobs around the world. Number 1, pilots. If you are passionate about flying, becoming a pilot is the most obvious route. From commercial airline pilots to private jet pilots and cargo pilots, there's a massive demand for skilled pilots globally. The US, Canada, UAE, and Australia are some of the countries actively hiring international pilots. Next is aircraft maintenance engineers. Do you enjoy getting your hands on machinery? Aircraft maintenance engineers are responsible for keeping planes in top-notch condition, and they are always in demand to ensure safety and efficiency. Popular destinations for this role include the US, Germany, and Singapore. Cabin crew. For those who love customer service and traveling the world, being a flight attendant could be your dream job. Cabin crew positions are perfect for anyone who thrives in high-energy environments. Air traffic controllers. Now, if you prefer to stay grounded but still want to be in the thick of the aviation action, air traffic control might be your call. Training is intensive, but the job is incredibly rewarding. Next is airport operations and management. There are also opportunities in airport management, security, ground handling, and customer service. Every airport needs a huge team to run smoothly, so if you're looking for variety, this sector offers a ton of options. Top countries for aviation jobs. Now that you know the types of jobs available, let's talk where you can find them. Here are some of the best countries to pursue an aviation career. United States. With one of the largest aviation industry in the world, the US offers a wide range of jobs across the sector. United Arab Emirates. The UAE is home to some of the largest international airlines like Emirates and Etihad. If you are looking to work in the Middle East, this is the place to be, especially for pilots and cabin crew. Singapore. Singapore is a hub for aviation in Southeast Asia. With Singapore Airlines being one of the top carriers globally, the demand for engineers, pilots, and operation staff is consistently high. Germany. Germany's aviation sector is booming, with Lufthansa leading the charge. Aircraft engineers, maintenance staff, and pilots are in demand, making it a great destination for aviation careers. Canada and Australia. Both of these countries offer pathways for skilled workers in aviation. From pilots to maintenance engineers, the job market is strong, and both countries have immigration-friendly policies for skilled workers. Fourth, qualification and certifications needed. Aviation is highly regulated, so depending on the role, you will need specific certifications that are internationally recognized. To work abroad as a pilot, you will need a commercial pilot license or an airline transport pilot license. Depending on the country, you may need to convert your license. Aircraft engineers. For maintenance engineers, a degree in aerospace or mechanical engineering is required. You will also need certification from bodies like FAA or EASA, depending on where you work. Cabin crew. Cabin crew roles typically requires a high school diploma and fluency in multiple languages. Some airlines provide the necessary training, while others expect you to have a cabin crew certification. Air traffic controller. Air traffic controllers undergo rigorous training through government bodies or aviation institutions. It's a high responsibility job, but one that offers excellent job security and benefits. Work visa and immigration pathways. Getting a job abroad in aviation also means navigating work visas and immigration pathways. The good news, countries like Canada, Australia, and the UAE have clear immigration routes for skilled aviation workers. Visa sponsorship. In many cases, airlines or aviation companies will sponsor your work visa, especially for highly skilled roles like pilots and engineers. Salary and perks of aviation jobs abroad. Now let's talk about one of the most important questions: how much can you make in the aviation sector abroad? Well, it varies depending on your role and the country. Pilots in international airlines can earn anywhere from $70,000 to $2 lakh annually, depending on their experience and airline. Cabin crew. For cabin crew, Crew salaries typically start at $25,000 to $50,000, but the perks like travel benefits are definitely a bonus. Engineers. Aerospace engineers and maintenance staff can expect salaries ranging from $50,000 to $1 lakh depending on their specialization. So if you're looking to work or settle abroad, start with a free eligibility check and a personalized consultation to find your best option. Click the link in the description or the pinned comments below to begin your journey today. There you have it. Aviation jobs abroad are full of opportunities. Whether you want to fly the skies or manage operations on the ground, with the right qualification and the willingness to relocate, you can truly soar in your aviation career. Well, if you are ready to start your journey, don't forget to subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on building your international career. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.